One at a time.
Digging! Digging! Digging!
Tiki is not a water dog. Does that water feel good, boys?
Yes. That's a cold water.
Y'all need to learn how to swim. As much as y'all like water, it's time.
Huh?
It's time for y'all to learn how to swim. Wyatt, it's not drinking water. It's so unlevel. There's so much water going down the other side and it's splashing out.
Ooh, Gigi! Papa! He's kicking.
It's okay.
Honey, that's what you're going to do.
Out, Landon.
No.
Give it away.
It's going downhill.
Move over that way before he can jump. Jump.
Move out of the way.